just spent 2 nights on Norwegian Cruise Line's brand new ship, Norwegian Aqua, as part of their exclusive New York City inaugural event. In this video, I'll walk you through what's new, what's better, and who I think this ship is really designed for. Whether you're comparing Aqua to Prima or thinking about booking your next cruise, this video is packed with tips and exclusive first looks you won't want to miss. Hi, I'm Angela from Grabby Bags Travel. Aqua is NCL's first Prima Plus class ship. It has 20 decks and can hold up to 3,571 guests in double occupancy. Aqua was designed to be 10% bigger than the original Prima, and you definitely feel it in the public spaces. The atrium, the improv comedy club was turned into a dance club afterwards, the local bar and grill, and Hasuki, the hibachi restaurant, all felt more open and more comfortable. Hasuki restaurant is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love their decor. Even the main pool area and the Vibe Beach Club has noticeably more space and more space to spread out. One of the biggest changes for Aqua is the elimination of the go-kart speedway. In its place, it has a whole lineup of new experiences. Their biggest is the Aqua Coaster, which is free to ride. It's a hybrid water coaster slide which allows you to race a friend and can fit up to 2 people. The Glow Court on Deck 20 is a colorful digital sports zone that's great for soccer and basketball fans. The space is supposed to turn into a nightclub at night, but due to our weather, that was a feature we were not able to experience. The stadium is back with cornhole, shuffleboard, ping pong, and foosball. And it also has its own pickleball court and an expanded tea time mini golf section, which I was told the mini golf will cost $5 per person. Everything else in the stadium is free to use. On Aqua, they removed the dart bays that was on the Prima and instead put 2 free dart boards in the new Bullseye bar, which is located on Deck 18 overlooking the Vibe Beach Club. Now, I really loved the dart bays on Prima and I thought it was really fun to do with friends, but I think eliminating the extra cost and now just including it within the bar scene is probably a little more social and a little more appealing to many others. Now, here's a booking tip for you. I still advise whether you're booking on the Aqua, the Prima, the Viva, when you're choosing a balcony, you want to be mindful as to where their dry slides are. On all 3 ships, the Prima, the Aqua, and even the Viva, they have the drop, which is a dry slide that starts on Deck 18 and goes down to Deck 8. On Prima and Viva, they have a second slide, which is called the Rush, on the other side of the ship. Aqua only has it on one side, the port side, or the left side. So be just very mindful as where you are, because you will be obstructed by the view, and I would think that you're going to hear the people drop down when they're using it. Now, like the Prima, Aqua shines when it comes to outdoor spaces, especially on Deck 8. These ships are definitely made for warm weather itineraries with relaxing seating, ocean views, infinity pools, and tons of walking space. It was chilly during our time in New York City, so we didn't get to enjoy it as much, but imagine this layout in the Caribbean. Yes, please, beautiful. Now, if the weather keeps you inside, that's okay, you still got lots of options. The Mandara Spa has upgraded facilities now with a thermal suite, salt room, snow room, heated loungers, an IV treatment therapy, and all the good stuff, including a 2-story waterfall into a therapy pool. The Pulse Fitness is back and expanded, and it even includes now a separate spin cycle room. On the Aqua, they did revamp the game room, and which is still on Deck 17 forward, right next to the observation lounge. This time they ditched a simulated golf game and now put a mini bowling lane, which you have to think of it like a puppet-like string pin action. It looked cute. We didn't get to play it, but it looked like a cute thing to play. And lots of arcade games, including the classics, but they are everything all extra to pay for. And of course, there's the casino and many lounges to choose from throughout the ship. One of those lounges is the Metropolitan Bar, which is now located on Deck 7 in the aft near the other restaurants like Hudson and Le Bistro and Cagney's. I think it's bigger and better. It's known for its sustainable cocktails, which is made by repurposed ingredients. We tried the banana ruma, which was quite tasty. And this time, there's an actual entertainment space built into the lounge, which the Prima doesn't have. The new addition is the Swirl Wine Bar. It's a small, cozy spot tucked behind the whiskey bar on deck 6 next to the Commodore dining room. It's perfect for wine lovers looking for more intimate setting. Now for dining, we're going to start with Indulge Food Hall, which has become a quite popular section for complimentary dining. I did notice right away that Aqua doesn't have the Starbucks kiosk that Prima has, but besides the same stations like Q Steakhouse, Tapas, Tamara, and Noodles, it does have a new venue called Plantery, which focuses on lighter, plant-forward dishes. We did try the lentil soup for lunch and we really enjoyed it. I also noticed more seating in Indulge compared to Prima, which is a win. And here's my quick tip for wanting to eat at the Indulge Food Hall. Go early to get your seat. If you want to order from multiple stations like we did, that is fine. Sit at a booth or at a table and just use their tablet. Just place your order and the servers will be by with all your orders. Seats at the counters, I was told, only serve at that station. So if you are looking for multiple food at multiple stations, you may want to just go to the booth or table. Now another new feature and dining option for Aqua is Sukhothai, which is a Thai specialty restaurant that has replaced Food Republic. Now I didn't get to try it this time because we had assigned dining, but it's a new option to try, but it's, like I said, it's a specialty restaurant with an upcharge. We did eat at Le Bistro, NCL's Fresh Restaurant, and yes, I'm planning a whole food-focused video of everything we tried, so please subscribe so that you won't miss that future video. Now let's talk about the Surfside Buffet. Here's my honest take. It's still too small. On both Prima and now Aqua, it feels cramped. Not enough seating, tight traffic flow, and it gets really busy. Yes, NCL offers plenty of other options like the local, Indulge, like I just mentioned, and main dining rooms. But people still go to the buffet. And just like on Prima, we had to walk over to the specialty restaurant side just to find a table for breakfast. In fact, they even have signs telling you to go there for more seating. So I don't know why they didn't expand this area when they knew that this was an issue on Prima. What do you think about this buffet? Did you find it tight at all? Did you wish that maybe it was a little bigger and surprised that it was as small as it is? Or maybe I'm crazy and you don't think it's small at all. I would love to read your comments about it. Now, during the event, we did get to see 2 shows for their entertainment. The first was Element, which is a favorite of NCL's. It is a dance, magic, and acrobatic show, which I did feel was a little more elevated on Aqua. It could have been just me, but that was my feeling. Also, their brand new show that we got to see, which is Revolution. Revolution is a brand new Prince-inspired concert experience, and when I didn't realize how truly concert experience it was going to be, and let me explain. So on the Prima class ship, and Aqua is no different, is that it's a 3-deck theater. So on deck 6 and 7, they can literally push the seats into the wall to create a new floor for new experiences. With this show, they did just that. They pushed the seats on deck 6 into the wall so that the people on deck 6 can stand and really stand up and be part and immersed into the concert. I was unaware that this was going to happen, so from where I sat up above in the middle, it was really hard to see the entire deck 6 dance floor of what was happening. So next time, I would rather sit up above but on the side so that you can see everything easier and without obstruction. I'm not 100% sure because of the event, but I also do believe if you want to be immersed in the show, you can go to deck 6 and be part of the concert standing the entire time watching the show. Again, I don't want to say do it for sure, just look into it. I wasn't able to really get that much information because of the way the event flowed, but it does seem that way, that's the way it would work. But if you just want to sit down and chill, be mindful as to where you're seating. You may not be able to get to see what's going on deck 6th floor. So is Norwegian Aqua a worthy upgrade from Prima? I say yes. It does feel larger. I do like the more open venues and all the new spaces. And I do think active cruisers and NCL fans will enjoy this ship. Now, even though NCL is a family cruise line, it's still my opinion that this ship and these class of ships is better for older children and adults. And I would love to hear from you. Did you book Aqua yet, or are you watching this video to make your decision? I would love to hear all of your comments and thoughts. I try to answer them all, and I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I really appreciate the support. Happy cruising.